Is Jobber the magic bullet for your home service business? The secret sauce that turns sweat equity into serious profits? Or is it just another monthly expense chipping away at your bottom line? That's the million-dollar question we're diving into today. If you're running a plumbing, HVAC, landscaping, cleaning, or any other field service operation, you've probably heard of Jobber. It pops up in online forums, industry articles, and maybe even your competitors are using it. They promise to streamline your scheduling, simplify invoicing, and ultimately, make your life easier. But easier doesn't automatically translate to more profitable. Think about it. You're already juggling a million things. Dispatching crews, quoting jobs, chasing payments, and trying to find time for, actually working on the tools. The allure of an all-in-one platform like Jobber is strong. The idea of having everything neatly organized, from client communication to payment processing, is incredibly appealing. It paints a picture of efficiency, reduced errors, and more time to focus on growing your business. But let's pump the brakes for a second. Before you jump in headfirst or double down on your existing subscription, we need to dissect the core question. Does Jobber actually boost your profitability? Or is it a shiny tool that looks great but doesn't deliver tangible financial results? To answer this, we need to go beyond the marketing hype and look at the real-world impact of using a platform like Jobber. Profitability isn't just about increasing revenue. It's also about managing costs effectively and optimizing your operations. So, let's break down how Jobber can influence these key areas. The upsides. How Jobber can potentially increase profitability. One of the most touted benefits of Jobber is its ability to streamline scheduling and dispatching. Imagine a world where you're not playing phone tag with your technicians, scribbling appointments on sticky notes, or constantly recalculating routes. Jobber offers a centralized calendar where you can easily assign jobs, track technician locations, and optimize routes for efficiency. This can lead to several profitability boosts. Reduced travel time and fuel costs. Optimized routes mean less time on the road, translating directly into lower fuel consumption and reduced vehicle wear and tear. Over time, these savings can be significant. Increased job capacity. When scheduling is efficient, you can fit more jobs into a day. This allows you to serve more clients and generate more revenue with your existing team. Improved technician productivity. With clear schedules and job details readily available on their mobile devices, technicians can spend less time on administrative tasks and more time on billable work. Fewer missed appointments and reschedules. Clear communication and automated reminders reduce the likelihood of no-shows and the costly disruptions of rescheduling. Next up is simplified invoicing and payment processing. Let's be honest, chasing invoices is a drag, and delayed payments can seriously impact your cash flow. Jobber aims to make this process smoother. Faster invoice generation, creating professional-looking invoices quickly and easily, directly from the job details, saves valuable administrative time. Reduced errors. Digital invoices minimize the risk of manual errors that can lead to disputes and delays in payment. Faster payment collection. Offering online payment options through Jobber makes it easier for clients to pay promptly, improving your cash flow and reducing the need for follow-ups. Automated reminders. Setting up automated payment reminders can nudge clients to pay on time, further accelerating your cash flow. Enhanced client communication is another area where Jobber can contribute to profitability, albeit indirectly. Improved customer satisfaction. Clear communication, appointment confirmations, and on-my-way notifications can lead to happier customers who are more likely to use your services again and refer you to others. Reduced customer service issues. Proactive communication can prevent misunderstandings and reduce the time spent resolving customer complaints. Upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Having a clear record of client history and service needs can help you identify opportunities to offer additional services. Finally, better organization and data insights can have a long-term impact on your profitability. Reduced administrative overhead. Centralizing your operations in one platform can reduce the need for multiple software subscriptions and the time spent switching between different systems. Data-driven decision-making. Jobber provides reports on key metrics like revenue, expenses, and customer behavior. This data can help you identify areas for improvement and make informed business decisions to boost profitability. Improved forecasting. Tracking historical data can help you forecast future demand and plan your resources accordingly. The downsides, potential costs, and how they can impact profitability. While the benefits sound compelling, it's crucial to consider the potential costs associated with Jobber and how they might affect your profitability. Subscription fees. Jobber operates on a subscription model, and these monthly fees can add up, especially for smaller businesses with tight margins. You need to carefully evaluate whether the value you receive justifies the cost. Implementation and training time. Implementing a new software system takes time and effort. You and your team will need to learn how to use Jobber effectively, which can lead to temporary dips in productivity. Integration costs. If you're already using other software for accounting or other functions, you'll need to ensure seamless integration with Jobber. This might involve additional fees or require manual workarounds if integrations are limited. Potential for underutilization. If you don't fully utilize all the features Jobber offers, you might not be getting the full value for your money. It's essential to invest the time in learning and implementing the features that are most relevant to your business needs. Dependence on technology. Relying heavily on a software platform means you're vulnerable to technical issues, internet outages, or software updates that could disrupt your operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.